Want to transform your garage into a clean, functional, and stylish space? Discover the benefits of premium garage flooring. From durable epoxy coatings to versatile interlocking tiles and rubber mats, our garage flooring options are designed to withstand heavy use while enhancing the look of your garage. Installing garage flooring is quick and hassle-free. Whether it's a professional epoxy coating for a seamless finish or interlocking tiles for a DIY project, we have the right solution for every need. Ready to upgrade your garage with durable and stylish flooring? Contact us at our contact or visit our website today.